Hi everyone! Today I will attempt my first diorama. I have a little idea of what it should look like. Let's do this! At first I want to make a frame base on which it will hold everything. I bought these wooden prisms. They sell them in the construction industry. I cut them into sizes 2 by 42 and 2 by 30 centimeters. I think that should be enough. I cut them ends and a 45 degrees angle. I nailed everything and create a frame. I also bought these smaller wooden prisms that will serve as a support for the balsa board. I screwed these smaller prisms to the frame and make it strong. I will try to see if the balsa boards fit nicely in the frame. Perfect! It is assembled precisely. I applied glue to the smaller inner prisms of the frame. After gluing the balsa boards, I placed weight on the entire structure. I let the glue dry for 24 hours. After the glue hardened, I used silicone on all the joints and sealed the entire area, because I will be plastering it. After the silicone hardened, I earned a can of plaster. It was very warm, so I used more water to prevent the plaster from drying out quickly. I poured the plaster onto the surface and spread it evenly over the surface. Plaster dries very quickly, but it is difficult to work with. I would use a different procedure next time. I let it harden for 24 hours just to be sure. Then I mix the paint. My diorama is supposed to represent asphalt. I tried to imitate him but I'm not completely satisfied. It is enough as a basis. I hope I can save it with details. We will see what I conjure up in the next installment. If you have any ideas or comments, feel free to write a comment. Bye bye, see you in the next part.